morning, team. What is up? I hope you guys are all having a great day. This is the morning routine, or my morning routine of a day trader. I hit the gym as I do every morning. I like starting off the day, working out, clearing my mind, making sure that I'm well prepared heading into market open. It is currently about 8:30. I'm gonna go ahead, hop on the market, and I'm gonna go through a series of stocks. Now, every morning over inside my mentorship group, I send out a pre-market watch list. Now, this covers a series of stocks which I see potential in, and I identify opportunity when it comes to the setups that I trade. So I like showing everyone that, what I teach inside my mentorship group can actually be applied. So I like doing a bit of the work, showing students the stocks that I'm going to be keeping an eye on throughout the day, and that they can go and further check out if they so desire. So I'm going to go ahead, go through about 300, 400, 500 stocks, depending. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes 30 minutes, but I'll get this out by 8:45 for the team, and we'll screen record, hop inside my computer, and I'll explain kind of how this works. Now, after I go ahead and send out this pre-market watch list, I'm going to head to the office, meet up with the team, and we've got our morning meeting. Today is Monday. Every Monday at 11 o'clock, we have a meeting, assess our strategy, our plans heading into the week. So I'm going to throw out my screen recording right here. So far, I have 3 stocks added to the pre-market. Now, ticker symbol BAX is actually what I'm going to pull up, and I'm going to finish BAX. This is the mentorship group. This is what it looks like on Discord. Drag that over there. This is ticker symbol BAX. So as you can see, there is a very clear pattern of lower highs. We've got rejections at the 180-day SMA. So I'm going to go ahead and say a very clear pattern of lower highs formed, rejections at the 180-day SMA, confirming this as a level of resistance. Now we have support formed at that low on the 4-hour time frame at 54.31. So let's go ahead and say low formed at 54.31, which will be acting as support. So what I'm looking to see on this chart is a break of pattern. So a break above 62.26. All right, as you can see, we have been forming lower highs. So a break above that previous high would indicate a sign of a break of pattern, a break of that pattern of lower highs. So what I do is when I look at a chart, I'm looking at the overall trend. Is the chart bullish? Is it bearish? Now, based off of that, I have a series of setups that I trade. Sometimes I'll trade based on the pattern. Sometimes I'll trade a setup based on a series of moving averages that I use. Those 3 moving averages being the 180-day SMA, 50-day SMA, and 15-day EMA. So I'm going to be looking for a break above 62.26. We are looking at a 6 to 7% margin for profit up to the next resistance level. Wow, I can't spell today. At 67.08. So let's go ahead and set alerts. Okay, good. I think I've said enough. So I'm going to go through a couple more stocks and see if I can identify any more setups to give to the team. All right, I'm going to go ahead and send out pre-market to the team over inside the mentorship group. There we go. Go ahead, send that out. Okay, pre-market is out. Now I am going to head to the office. Let's go. All right, we made it to the office. That elevator almost made me late. All right, that is going to wrap up this morning's morning routine. We just had a good meeting and kind of laid out our plans for this week. But if you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, go ahead and check them out. I make a variety of videos covering everything to do with trading, stock market education, and finance. If you're interested in learning about trading, if you're interested in seeing exactly what I am buying and selling in the stock market, when I buy and when I sell a stock, click that first link in the description below. All right, hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you all in next week's episode. Later.